Hey guys, so let's talk about home organization tools that you need to have. Speaking of which, if you're anything like me, you're always running out of closet space so anyway, I discovered My Fulrena. That's the name of this store on Amazon that sells these really luxurious space-saving hangers. Now, I have a few of them here and I'm gonna show you my new find. Okay, so this is what they look like. And they are very luxurious. They're actually coated. It's coated in a velvet material that feels very nice and soft to the touch. I don't know. It's giving luxury, guys. It's giving grown, and I've got my life together. I immediately made use of them to store my husband's pants because he has a lot. So these are 4-tiered hangers and they're very sturdy, as you can tell, which I really appreciate. So here we go. Luxury, and they're very slim, very slender. So you can literally stack quite a few of these and save space in your closet. Now, let me get to my stuff, right? Now, I love what do you call it? Organza skirts, you know, those tutus. Yes, you know, summer is coming. I want to be cute. But these skirts take up so much space in the closet. So I'm happy I found these racks, these hangers, 4 in 1. Look here. Look at this. These are 3 skirts. 1, 2, and 3. I'm a little bit too short to show you all of them, but best believe that they are all there and they are all stored. So that's my pink one, that's my orange one, and this is my black one. And these are my favorite organza skirts for summer that I will be wearing. And no, I don't have to worry about stacking them all over my closet or looking for space because ta-da! Yep, there you go. So I'm loving these, and as I said, I love the fact that these are coated in this neutral black fabric. So it's very luxurious, it's very classy. So if you want a closet upgrade, this is a good way to go. And of course, your standard wire hanger, you know, of course, it's reinforced metal, silver toned. And you guys, what I really also appreciate is that when you purchase the pack, there are 3 hangers that come in the pack. So that is giving storage solutions for 12 pieces of clothing, guys, in just 3 hangers. So this is the ultimate solution if it is that you want to save space in your closet. And the fact that it's coated, it means that the clothes are not slipping off or sliding off, as some fabrics are prone to cause. So we're not going to be having any clothes slipping and sliding today because they stay very sturdy on the coated hangers. And finally, because you know that I love my headbands. So guess what? I really was supposed to put my husband's ties on the other one because these are great for putting on ties. They're great for putting on your collection of jeans, your leggings, your shawls, anything you can think of, your towel. But guess what? I chose to put on mine. I'm so proud of myself. Ta-da! I chose to put my hairband collection on one of the hangers. So it has, as I showed you guys before, it has so many tiers. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can literally have space for quite a number of my favorite hangers. And I mean, if you're inventive, maybe you can store your favorite jewelry pieces on it. There's no rule that says you can't. So I'm loving these. And the fact that it's a coated hanger, my hairbands are not sliding all over the place. They're staying put. So I'm loving that. This is a great product. I like this. So you guys can feel free to check it out and form your own opinions. I just thought I would put you on and show you that this product exists And it is a lifesaver for persons who want to get into home organization. So you can check them out at the My Fullerena store on Amazon, and that's their tiered hangers. And yeah, this is what I came to show you guys today. So until next time, ciao.